Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in this YouTube video, I'm going to teach you how to price commercial cleaning jobs. Hey YouTube family, thank you guys for joining me with another YouTube video all about cleaning. In this particular video, we are going to talk about a highly requested topic, which is how to price commercial cleaning jobs. If you guys haven't already checked out my how to price residential cleaning jobs, I'll be sure to link down below in the description of this video so you guys can check it out. In this video, we are going to get down to the nitty-gritty of how to price commercial cleaning jobs by the hour. First, I'd like to start off this video just saying that there is no wrong or right way on how to price a commercial cleaning job or contract, right? We all have different ways of doing things. Some companies quote by the square foot. Some companies quote by the hour. I just happen to quote by the hour. That's how I was taught. And that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So no hate to anybody that prices any differently. Again, I am just sharing my own experience in business with you guys to make things a little bit easier. I will say that some of the jobs that I do happen to price by square foot are typically specialty jobs. So carpet jobs, tile jobs, VTC, stripping and waxing, those kind of specialty jobs we do happen to quote by the square foot. However, with our routine janitorial and commercial cleaning, we do price by the hour. There are 3 steps: walkthrough, bidding, and then sending the proposal. So this video is all about step number 2. The very first part of quoting a commercial cleaning job or a commercial cleaning contract is going to be doing the initial walkthrough, right? So during that walkthrough, you're going to gather all the information that you need: square footage, types of floors, the scope of work. You're going to gather the frequency that the client wants you there, and just really understand what it is that you're going to be tasked with when coming in to perform your services. So now that you have all the information that you need from that initial walkthrough, this is going to be the point where you're going to start doing some math so that you can come up with your pricing and then go ahead and move that over into an actual proposal. There are going to be 2 very key points of information that you are going to have to know in order to quote your commercial cleaning contracts by the hour. Now, the very first piece of information that you are going to have to understand is going to be your production rate. Now, what is your production rate? Your production rate is how long it actually takes you to clean certain items. So how long does it take you to clean a toilet? How long does it take to clean a sink? How long does it take to vacuum carpet? You know, what is your production rate with mopping? So these are items that you are going to have to know in order to quote as accurately as possible. And I also just want to point this out that if you're just starting out right in the commercial cleaning space or in your commercial cleaning business, you are going to underbid yourself, right? That is just inevitable. And if you don't, you either had some assistance, you know, with someone that's experienced, or you did a really great job, right? Or you guesstimated well, and that's fantastic. However, for the most part, including myself, you are probably going to underbid yourself, and that's okay. That is part of the learning process, just like with house cleaning or any type of cleaning job in the industry. We don't exactly know our production rates, but as I always mention, be sure to start timing yourself. So if you're in that beginning phase, don't sweat it, all right? Just start keeping track of how long it actually takes you to complete each task. Now, there are different bidding apps that are available for, you know, commercial cleaning companies. And then there is also the ISSA clean times, which can be found for the most part online with doing a little bit of research. And if you can't find all the information that you're looking for, they also do have a book that breaks down the exact clean times per task. I will say that I have purchased that book, and although I do utilize it, I still go by how long I know or think it's going to take to clean compared to other accounts or other cleans that we have actually done in the past. Now, the second piece of information that is crucial to the actual math or the equation on how to figure out how much to bid is going to be your hourly rate that you're going to be charging your client. You want to make sure to include the cost of labor, consider the difficulty of the job, definitely consider your scope of work, and there are some other expenses that you can consider to include, such as the cost of transportation, any other fees that may be involved, and equipment. After you have that number, you're going to want to mark it up so that you can profit. I've seen companies multiply this number anywhere from 20 to 50%. Now that you have your hourly rate figured out, let's get into the mathematics. Take your hourly rate and you're going to multiply that by the hours per visit multiplied by the number of employees. Multiply that by the number of days per week times 52 for the amount of weeks in a year. And then we're going to divide that out by 12. And that number that you see right there is going to be what you're charging your client. Now, we also happen to charge our clients for the monthly supplies. What we do is we then take that number that we got from the equation and we multiply that by 3%. That's about the average of what your monthly supply costs are going to be. So now you have your base rate and you have your supply costs. Now you can add that up, and that is going to be the total amount that you are going to be charging your client on a monthly basis. So now I'm going to do a sample equation. So let's say our hourly rate is $25 an hour. So we're going to do $25 times hours per visit, which is going to be 4. Then we're going to multiply that by the number of days. This is a 5-day-a-week account. Then we're going to multiply that by 52. And then we're going to divide that out by 12. We have $2,166.66. So that is going to be our base rate. Now we want to make sure that we account for the supplies because we do charge our customers for the monthly supplies. So we're going to do multiplied by 3%, and we have $64.98. So we're going to add that supply cost and the base rate, and then that is what we are going to present to our client for the monthly charges. So although we did do the math, right, in total amount of man hours, you're not going to present it to your client like that. You're not going to say, hey, here's my proposal. It's $2,300 a month, and that gets you X amount of man hours. No, we don't want to say that. What we just do is give them that base rate. We charge for the supplies, and we say this is what it's going to cost for the entire month. And of course, you want to make sure to let them know, how many visits and whatnot. If you guys enjoyed this YouTube video, please be sure to drop a comment down below. And if you're looking to open your very own multi-6-figure cleaning business, please be sure to check out the link below, as I have a special discount for those of you that are watching this video.